Hello beautiful people, in this video I will show you my another swags that I got from Auth0 for being a Auth0 ambassador. So if you are wondering how you can become a Auth0 ambassador, so you just go to the website that I have in the description box and just join the mission and show your talks or blogs. And the one main thing is that if you are very new to security field that I was, and you just need to show that you will learn and you will definitely contribute to Auth0. Okay, so Auth0 is really great community that I am a part of, so I have learned a lot from all. So yeah, this was a great journey. So I got swags for being a Auth0 ambassador, so I will just show you. This is the bag that I have got and it's not empty. It has swags in it. Okay, so I'll just start opening it and I will show you all the swags that I got. So my most favorite, I guess, t-shirt is this one because I really like the astronaut. Yes, it's pretty cool and it has Auth0 at the back. I am gonna wear this very often. It's really cool. So another swags that I got are these stickers. So yes, they are literally so cool. See, the astronaut, the cute astronaut, and Auth0 logo, and another Auth0 ambassador. So yeah, these are all of the things that I got from Auth0, and I would really hope that you will join the mission of Auth0 and yes, really contribute to that. So let's hope for the best, and till then, may the source be with you.